Well, the morning's kinda damp, I'm not worried about cutting the grass. Left my truck at the boat ramp and my boat is full of gas. My old boss thinks I'm sick today, he won't have me to harass. 'Cause I'm out here on the river and he can kiss my big old bass. Kiss my bass. I'm going fishing, gonna catch a big one today. Kiss my bass.
Kiss my bass.
Let's all go fishing. Ain't gonna be working today. If he saw me out here fishing, guess I wouldn't stand so tall. He would take my big old bass and he'd hang it on his wall. But I don't care, I'm going fishing where the water's cool and deep. If he sees me on the river, I'll be fishing up the creek. Kiss my bass.
Kiss my bass.
I'm going fishing, gonna catch a big one today. Kiss my bass.
Kiss my
Let's
bass.
all go fishing. Ain't gonna be working today. Well, the sun is getting hot, guess I'll fish in the shade. There's nobody there at my honey hole, looks like I got it made. And now I've caught a big one, so forget that hourglass. If you just wait a minute, then we both can kiss my bass. Kiss my bass.
Kiss my bass.
I'm going fishing, gonna catch a big one today. Kiss my bass. Let's all go fishing.